Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install VirtualBox on your PC. Simply open your browser, go to Google, search VirtualBox, click on the first link, Oracle VirtualBox, then download. Here we will download for Windows machine, Windows host machine. Click on Windows. We will wait for few seconds to download. After download, we will open the setup. Click yes. Click next. As I accept the terms and agreements. Then click again next. Then yes. Then again yes. Then next. Install. Wait for few seconds while it is installing. Then after installation, click finish. It will open the VirtualBox. Here is our VirtualBox virtual machine. Now we can create any virtual machine in this. Thank you for watching the video.